Session 9. Readers use words they know to solve words they don't know. Today I want to teach you that readers can use words they know to read words they don't know. When you are stuck on a word, you can think, do I know how to read or write a word that looks like this one? Let's check it out. We have the word car, back, will. These are all words we already know. K, R has bossy AR, B, A, K, C, K is a digraph. K, W, I, L, will has a bonus letter because it comes after a short I. Let's see if we can use our knowledge of words we already know to move these words into the correct category. Let's see. W, I, L. So the first thing I'm going to do is look at words that end in ill. I, L. Fill is like will. Let me just work with the ill section first. Words that end in ill. Wait, this word has a digraph. It has thrill. And now ing. What is that? Ing. Let me crash these parts together. Ing. Thrilling. Thrilling. I'm going to move here. I'm going to move under will because they're similar because they have ILL. Let's look at some more words. Let's look at bossy AR, car. Let's see, any words that look similar? Sharp. Sharp is like car because it has bossy R, making the sound. Sharp. Oh, look, they're the same word. Sharp. N. Sharpen. Sharpen. Sharp. Car. They all have AR. Let's see. Oh, shark. That's easy. I love shark, so I know how to spell shark. Ark. Digraph SHAR, bossy R, and K, shark. Let's look at back. B-A-K. Here's digraph CK. All these words have digraph CK, but let me read them. I'm going to move them, then read them. Let's look at this one first. Let me sound out the sounds I see and then crash the word parts together. T-R-A-K. Track. Track. B-L-A-K. Black. Black. Oh, BL, that's a blend and has ACK. Black. K-R, blend CR. Cur. A-K. Crack. 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 Wow, because I knew littler words, I was able to figure out bigger words. So let's look in our story. I'm coming too, said Ivy. She, not sure of that word. I can't just skip it. What could I do? Well, we've been learning about ED, so I know ED makes 3 sounds. Ed, D, T. So let's see. Now, let me look. I know that suffix ED, but let me look at this word. P, A, digraph CK. K, P, A, K, packed. Let's see if that makes sense. Let me get a running start and retry. I'm coming too, said Ivy. She packed her Princess Mimi doll, PJs, tea set, and Go Fish cards. Oh, that word that I didn't know, I used my strategies of breaking apart the word, and I was able to crash all the word parts together to read the word. Now remember, friends, when you're doing your reader's workshop, remember to use your tools. Think about what's happening. Check the picture. Does that make sense? Think of what kind of word would fit. Get a running start. Does that sound right? Try it many ways. Read it part by part. Do a slow check. Crash the parts together. Use a word you know. Check if it's a snap word. Does that look right? These are some strategies you can use in your writing so that you're able to do our reading objective for today. You're able to use words you already know to solve bigger words. All right, readers, I can't wait for you to get reading today and try out all your new reading strategies. Happy reading!